That's like the only part that's this color.
Let me know down below if y'all got a pair of shadows in your closet. 100 likes, I'm gonna slap the shit out of her.
100 likes, you gonna slap the shit out of who? 100 likes. Get this video to 100 likes and we're gonna do the boxing match that we supposed to bend it. So what's next?
100 likes, I'm just gonna slap her.
No, 100 likes and I'm gonna be Jacques.
Thumbs up. You got this black part that says ear.
What you ready to shoot?
Overall, man, the style.
You can wear it.
You're doing 2 giveaways, DMP6s. We're gonna start up with me. Ding ding. Hello.
Don't tell me.
That look like some one.
You know what I thought it was just Agree or disagree? What's up, Fred family?
It's your boy Take Out Ink.
And it's your girl Kid. And we back at it with another video. If you ain't already motherfucking out,
have another mint. Maybe that'll calm you down.
make sure you like this video.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Subscribe to the channel if you have. It's the hating for me.
Oh, hell no!
Don't do that.
Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that post notification bell so you can get notified. What you gonna do if I hit that box? What you gonna do? Nothing. It's just a box.
A box.
You got plenty of boxes in the closet. It's just a box. It's just a box. You ready to get into this video? You got anything to say to the game?
Alright, I'm a fuck with you.
Alright, bro.
Make sure you what? Make sure you what?
Before we get into this video,
You supposed to say before we get to this video what?
100 likes, I'm gonna slap the shit out of her.
100 likes, you gonna slap the shit out of who?
100 likes, y'all.
100 likes. Get this video to 100 likes and we're gonna do the boxing match that we supposed to bend it. So what's next?
100 likes, I'm just gonna slap her.
No, 100 likes and I'm gonna be Jacques.
Thumbs up.
100 likes for a boxing match and I ain't playing. I'm talking about throwing them things, thumping. Cause he know how I'm coming.
Alright, so today, y'all.
I find some old footage.
1 box here, 2 boxes. You see that box?
Yeah, I see.
Slap it again, I'm gonna knock your head off.
I feel like you got some fresh
so I did a raffle on Instagram. I'm gonna drop his name down below. That boy Mel. Yeah, description gonna be in the bio. So we got the Union 4s right here. I see that box.
Let's get into this box though. That box
Pretty cool
fire.
box, right?
That box is fire.
And this paper, man.
That's probably the best 4 box. What you think? The 4 box.
Yeah, the box. That's
And the inside, even the paper.
Yeah, the paper cool.
Yeah. I don't know if y'all can see
I don't really
that.
know the story behind why they decided to put this wrapping paper in here, but y'all see his head. Rookie MJ. Got that little gold chain on he used to play with. Cool.
Best wrapping paper, so yeah.
So yeah, it's like yellow cell looking. It says Union on the cover. And it's like light blue on the inside. Same thing for the inside of the box. And we're gonna pull the shoes out. Woo! Guava. That's the color. Guava. So he grabbed these off GOAT for the Lowski. So
What's the Lowski?
I don't know. Woo. Alright, so we got it. Guavas. We got 1 pair of laces. I think it come with 2. Or is it 1? 1.
It's not even really a good color to put in here for real.
What, yellow?
Yeah, I wouldn't put this in. Would you put this in? I wouldn't put that in.
First off, I'm gonna start with I don't even like this shoe like at all.
Look, they probably did that because you see that tongue? I mean, this little thing right here, y'all. That's like the only part that's this color.
I don't know. That's like the new theme of 2020. Just wearing some crazy stuff, I guess. I don't know.
It's different though, but I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't like the shoe at all. We're gonna start out with the sole, man. You got that pissy yellow, guava, whatever kind of color this is. Y'all see that sole? It says Nike in blue, and then in red, it's like a red surrounding pod. And then it comes up to that midsole. Like the whole thing is like that guava, yellow, same. I don't know which one is guava. Well, guava is this. This is guava. If y'all know what the fruit looks like, yeah. That's more of the color. It's kind of like pinkish. This is just like yellow.
Yellow though.
That's like pissy yellow, I guess. They did the whole midsole like that, which is ugly. I don't like that. I don't know how you feel about that. It's cool.
Yeah, the yellow. I feel like the yellow is cool.
It's not cool. I knew you was gonna say that.
The yellow is cool. Comment down below if y'all like the yellow on this sole. I just feel like it's the material. Like this.
It's not the material.
This right here is trash. This.
The material's not bad. It's just all the colors on. None of this really good.
No, I'm saying like I never seen this on a 4. Like what is this? Alpha 1 material or some shit? Like what is that?
I don't know what that is.
Exactly. That's what makes the shoe like.
Nothing.
The yellow is cool. And the suede.
Moving on until like the upper. You got that lightish guava color. And then going to the back heel tab, you got that same blue and red. Nike Air. I don't know. I don't like none of these colors. I don't like the black. The black ones look better, but I don't like either one of them.
The black.
So we got our hang tag right here. It says Union. And that same light blue color.
Well, that's another 4 that got the tag. Because you was asking, did your
I said 3s, not 4s.
Oh, that was... Oh, dang, you right.
Exactly. So this tongue, everybody, y'all seen this tongue, I'm pretty sure.
For me.
Flap down. It's just down. You can cut it open if you want to. That's what I would probably do, but I wouldn't wear any of these unions. It says Air Jordan on the tongue, as y'all can see right there. And we got our clear wing tabs with the light blue over there towards the ankle, and then like closer to the toe, it's like that military red. That's what it looks like, or pink. I really don't know none of these colors,
like
man.
Really
Let's see on the box what this color say. Guava Ice, Fusion Red, Glace, Goyave, and then Rogue Fusion Clear. Yeah, that's crazy. Retail on these was $250.
$250.
I think they going for around. Guava's going for around like almost 900 right now, I think.
900. Did you talk about the details in his tongue, like the holes that's cut in the back?
That's literally what I just said.
You
talking about the holes in the back?
Yes.
I mean, okay, some holes in the back. If y'all wanted to know about that.
And it's like stitching. It's terrible.
Yeah.
It's kind of giving me off-white vibes, right?
No, not even.
Look at that. Like they should be kind of tore up. That tongue is tore up. The tongue is tore up, guys.
So yeah, y'all.
You just be
I'm gonna go ahead and give this shoe a 3 out of 10. Coolest thing about the shoe is the box. It is a size 10. DM me or the Instagram link that's in the bio if y'all want to cop these. I think he's selling them for like, I don't know, just DM him, get with him, or DM me, and then I'll call him and ask him. I'll let y'all know. But 4 out of 10 for me. I don't like the materials. I said 3 out of 10. Pretty sure I said 4, but she said I said 3, but I'm gonna go 4 out of 10. The box is fire, 10 out of 10. This is a fire box. I like the Union box. Like the Union boxes on the ones too. I like it, fire.
I give this shoe overall a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
I give it a 6 out of 10. The colorway,
it's cool.
Nasty. I give it a 10 out of 10 for like just the colors going crazy, but like this is just too much. Like this is a good kid shoe for me, if I would say, because I would want London to wear something like this because it's just got so many colors and she can wear so much stuff. What you think?
Before I put these trash shoes in the trash bin, forgot it comes with that yellow lace.
That don't even got nothing to do with the color.
Trash. Yeah. Drop them boys back in there. Send it back to the carrier. You in the LA on the side. That's it. That's all we got for this shoe. Like I said, it was $500 for all 40s in the mystery box. I think he did like probably like 30 something slots. I don't know how much money that is. Y'all do the math. But let's put that to the side. So we got some Air Jordan 1s, size 10.5. Y'all know what that box looks like. These are not new. I think he said they was worn once or twice, but they definitely look pretty clean. You said black and red? You talking about the box?
Yeah, I said that.
Had to be. We got this Shadow 1 colorway, man. Let's get into the sole. Y'all see that black sole, white midsole going all the way around. These are one of the OG colorways for the Air Jordan 1. The shadows, man, I never really liked the shadows. It's cool. It's a clean shoe. It's just I never really liked the shadows, so I never had a pair. To sum it up, but this is like my favorite color blocking. As y'all know, the bred ones are my favorite shoes. So it's cool, but it's simple, man. And sometimes simple is cool. Sometimes simple is gold. You got this black leather going all the way around. You got this hint of gray on the heel and on the toe. You got your black Air Jordan logo sign. Then black on the tongue, gray Nike Air. And then that's the shoe right there. Very iconic. Let me know down below if y'all got a pair of shadows in your closet.
They have a white insole, gray shoelaces.
If y'all want to do a lace swap, comes with gray.
I think I'll do the gray shoelaces. I'll give this shoe a 10 out of 10 because it's like a pretty cool shoe and you can just rock it, whatever. And it's like a chill shoe.
Shadows, man, I don't know. I'd probably say 7 out of 10.
7?
Shadows. Yeah.
That's high though.
I mean,
I don't like it.
It's decent. I mean, I like it, just, I don't know.
But
I just don't see myself wearing the shadows, man.
Why? Because it's the color. I feel like you can wear a lot with black and gray. You know?
I mean, yeah, but it really doesn't. It never really did much for me. You know? I don't know. It just never really did much, so I never got a pair. But so if y'all want to grab these, hit me up. As a matter of fact, these already sold, so sorry. They're gone. So yeah, we got the unions and we got the shadows. Told y'all how I feel about them. Let us know how y'all feel about them in the comments. That's
Comment down below 1 through 10. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that post notification bell so you can get notified every time we drop a video.
Peace.